Welcome to Cooking with Katerina. You know, when we have family and friends come over, the first question I ask is, did you eat? And before they have time to answer, I'm already filling the table with food because there is no better pairing than family, friends, and food. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fettuccine alfredo that you will not be able to wait to make for your special family and friends. So, if you haven't subscribed to my cooking channel, please do so after this video and like and share it with your family and friends. I'd really appreciate it. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make this delicious fettuccine alfredo. You'll need 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of half and half, 1 cup of grated Romano cheese. You can also use Parmesan. 1 cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch that you're going to combine 2 tablespoons of cold water and mix that up. You'll also need about a half a pound of ham. I use either maple or honey ham, and 2 tablespoons of butter to saute the ham in. You'll also need 1 pound of fettuccine. So we're going to get started with sauteing our ham in our 2 tablespoons of butter. As you can see, I have my butter is melted here in the frying pan, and I'm going to add my ham and saute it. And what we're going to do is just saute this for just a couple minutes, and then we're going to set it aside. We will heat it up just for a little bit after we have our cream sauce and our pasta is ready to go, so we can put the nice hot ham on top of the fettuccine. My butter is almost melted, and now I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream, and my half and half, and we're going to let that heat up. And you could probably have this on medium to medium high. You just want to make sure that you don't scorch the milk at the bottom. So, you know, whatever, you know your stove, so whatever works for you. You just want to make sure that you've heated this up enough to add the cornstarch next. Now, while this is heating up, I just wanted to say, you could leave me a comment with any questions or how you enjoyed making the fettuccine. I would really appreciate it, and I will answer you back. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you different suggestions as to how this fettuccine alfredo can be served. Okay, I've put my water on to boil so I can cook my pasta as directed. Remember, you're using the fettuccine noodles, and I'm waiting for that to start boiling. Now my milk and butter mixture is up to temperature, and I've mixed my 2 tablespoons of cold water with my cornstarch, and now I will put that in here and mix it up and let it get thick here. And you can see once you're stirring this up, you'll see that it starts to thicken. And what we'll do next is we're going to add the grated cheese. This takes just a minute or two to get thick. And now we'll add our cheese. That was 1 cup. I'm using Romano, but you can use Parmesan if you like, whatever works for you, or whatever your family likes. And once we have this all dissolved, we're going to take it off the stove and add our sour cream. I took the Alfredo sauce off the stove and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add our sour cream and mix it thoroughly into the cheese and the milk and the butter here that we've thickened up. So let me just use this whip and stir it in. And then we'll be ready to put the sauce, the Alfredo sauce, over our fettuccine noodles and add the ham that we sauteed earlier. Now we're ready to put together our fettuccine Alfredo. We have our Alfredo sauce, our pasta is done, and I've heated up our ham. So what I do first is I put a layer of the sauce on the bottom of the plate. And then we're going to lay our pasta on. Put a little more on there. And if you have extra sauce, my sister freezes it all the time and she can just take it out when she wants to use it. So that's something good to know. I never have leftover, but she probably makes a double or triple batch. So now we're going to put our pasta down. And probably put some more of the Alfredo sauce on top. This is going to be so good. Put some more Alfredo sauce down. Because you want the sauce to be all over the pasta. At this point, too, if you want to do a whole pound of ham, you can. I know my daughter does because she likes the extra ham, and she'll lay down at this point another layer of the ham. And we'll put the rest of our pasta on here. Let me just see if I can put it out there. Look at that. And that's 1 pound of pasta. Okay, sorry for the noise. And we'll spread that a little and put the rest of our Alfredo sauce on it. And I'm just going to pour it over top. And let's see here. There you go. And now we'll put our ham on here. And you can just spoon it out all over the top. As you can see. And after we're done doing this, we'll be ready to plate and taste or serve. This delicious dish is plated and we're almost ready to taste it. But before we do, I promised you some suggestions that you could use with this fettuccine Alfredo. If you like, you could saute some shrimp or chicken, or you could just put broccoli with it. Either way that your family likes it is the way you want to serve it. So now it's time to taste test. Mm, this is so delicious. The sweetness from the ham and the cheesiness of the Alfredo sauce, it just, to me, goes together very well. So, if you would like to see all of my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. And also check out my videos on the screen. And I just want to say blessings on cooking.